how to see other viewers on your Facebook story. If you want to know other viewer on your Facebook story, then this video is for you. To do this, first of all, go to your Facebook and hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, go through the setting and privacy and then click on settings. Once you are here, on the top, search for stories and go through it. On the top, you will see story privacy. Choose this option and then make it to costume. Once you do this, you will be able to see other viewers on Facebook story once you post it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.